Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart OPPO Find X9. Alright, we have two methods how we can do it. We have the normal reboot using the power menu, and we also have the forced restart. I'll show you both methods. Let's begin with simple reboot. To perform it, we need to launch the power menu, click power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that, and the power menu appears. Now simply select the restart function, and now if you release your finger, your device will be turned off, and then it will be automatically turned on back again after a few seconds. That's the first method. When it comes to the second method, when it comes to forced restart, this method is recommended, for example, in situations when we have a frozen or unresponsive screen, basically when our whole phone is lagged and we cannot do anything. That's when we should perform a forced restart and everything will be okay after this method, and when the device turns on, everything should be okay. So to perform it, we need to hold power button and volume up button at the same time until our device turns off. So simply keep holding both buttons. Okay. Now we can release our fingers so you can see that the OPPO logo appeared on the screen, and now simply wait until the phone turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.